According to Mr. Uzo Ekemezie, the Director General of the foundation explained that Igbo as a race has always been an industrious and creative people who are never lazy, which the foundation is moved to empowering the youths with skills to become responsible and keep away from social vices. He also revealed that skills to be learnt in the foundation includes fashion design, cake making, carpentry, welding, among others, urging those interested to register with the foundation. The director of programs at the foundation, Mr. John Ndondo, emphasized that youths have much more to offer the society as the foundation seeks to empower them to be positive-minded and in turn empower others to bring about economically thriving society.
They lack platforms like this that empower them, that encourage them. You know, that's why we see a lot of vices out there. But Igbo is stepping into that big shoe to take the youths out of the streets by telling them there is something in you. You have more to offer than crime, you have more to offer than prostitution, you have more to offer than fraud.
In the same vein, Mr. Joseph Nwimo, the head of the foundation, stated that money made through illegal means are not sustainable, pointing out that having a skill, nurturing and growing through it gives sustainable wealth. He said that during the empowerment program, participants will be attached to workshops and offices for practical learning, and those who came tops at the contest during the empowerment program will be given tools and cash to start up, calling on those who are interested to register with the foundation.
A lot of youth
The sensitization rally went through Regina Shelley Junction, Aroma, Unizik, Oka, Club Road, amongst other places.